Hey everyone, my name is Muhammad Walid and you are watching Bliss Style. And today we are getting our hands on the new Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro.
First things first, the packaging Oppo went for a clean and minimalist design here. We have got the Oppo logo on the front highlighting the model name. Alright, let's crack this open. Here we see the charging case itself and it feels nice in the hand, and from what I can tell, it uses a glossy plastic material. I'm curious to see how fingerprint prone it is, and it has a very cute design with a cute color. Mhm. So let's see what's underneath the case. We have a box where we open and we find a sticker. Then we have some ear tips and a USB A to USB C cable and a user manual, and that's all we have in the goodies. So let's keep them aside and move forward. Look at this. The earbuds have a stem design and they look very sleek. Oppo advertises these as being a very lightweight, and I can definitely confirm that. Taking a closer look at the earbuds themselves, what we can see that they have a glossy plastic finish that matches the charging case. They also have these touch sensitive controls on the sides, which we'll explore in more detail later. Alright then, so far my first impressions of the Oppo Enco A3 Pro are positive. The design is sleek and modern, the build quality feels good, and they seem very lightweight and comfortable. Let's start with the most important aspect, that is sound quality. Oppo boasts a special bamboo fiber diaphragm in these earbuds, which they claim delivers richer, more natural sounding audio. The sound is well balanced with clear highs, strong mids, and surprisingly good bass for earbuds of this size. The music sounds crisp and detailed, and I can definitely hear the difference compared to some other budget wireless earbuds I have used. Another key feature of Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro is active noise cancellation. This feature uses microphone to block out ambient noise. Let's see how well it works. Activating ANC definitely reduces a significant amount of background noise. It's not perfect, but it does a good job of muffling out low frequency sounds like traffic or air conditioning hum. On the flip side, there is a slight hissing sound noticeable when ANC is on in quiet environments. The transparency mode works well, and I can hear conversations and outside noise clearly without having to remove the earbuds. Making calls with the Oppo Enco HD Pro is a breeze. The built-in microphone picks up my voice clearly, and the person on the other end reports good quality as well.
The Oppo Enco Air 3 Pro utilizes touch controls on the sides of the earbuds. These controls are customizable and allow you to play, pause music, skip tracks, and activate ANC or transparency mode. The touch controls are responsive and fairly easy to use. So overall, I am very impressed with these earbuds, especially considering the price point. They offer excellent sound quality, good ANC performance, and a comfortable lightweight design. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a pair of affordable, feature-rich, truly wireless earbuds. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Also hit that notification bell so you never miss a new update. Thank you for watching. Bliss Style signing off.